Unboxing HP 315, a 3-in-1 printer. What's inside the box? Printer heads, manuals, ink bottles, power and USB cable, and a HP 315 printer. If you are new in this channel, please click subscribe for more computer tips and tricks. How to install your printer. First is to fill ink tanks. Remove black bottle cap, remove seal. Replace cap, flip lid open. Open ink tank lid. Remove plug from black tank. Hold bottle on tank nozzle. Fill ink to line. Replace plug and press firmly to close. Repeat steps for each color. Close lid. Save remaining black ink for refilling. Unpack and power on. Remove packing material, tape, and 2 cardboard restraints. Plug in power cord and turn on printer. Install printheads. Remove plugs from tops of printheads, then remove tape from contacts using pull tabs. Slide in printheads until they snap. Firmly close blue latch. Important. Keep blue latch closed after printhead installation. Close printhead access door, then close front door. Connect your USB cable in your computer and install printer's driver. Press color copy to complete printhead alignment. Press resume for 3 seconds. Continue setup when letter A becomes 0. Load paper, pull out input tray. Load plain white paper and adjust guide. Pull out output tray and extend for alignment page to print when blinking letter P becomes letter A. Thank you for watching. If you have a problem in installing your printer, please write down your comment below and please click subscribe to receive more updates and computer tips and tricks.